How to lock Facebook profile officially. So if you want to lock your Facebook profile officially, then first you need to open up your Facebook application. Once you open up your Facebook, now go for the upper right, which has that three bat icon. Once you tap on it, you need to go for your profile. Once you tap on your profile, now you need to go for the right side of your profile, which has that three dots icon on the middle right. Tap on the three dots, and here you will have an option of lock profile. Locate that option, tap on it, and then here it says if you lock your profile, then only friends will see the photos, posts, and stories on your profile, and only friends will see your full resolution profile picture and cover photo, but people will still be able to search for you and send you friend request. So if you want to officially lock your profile, then tap on lock your profile, which is on the bottom of your screen. Once you tap on it, tap on OK, and that's it, your profile has been locked. So that's how you can lock your profile on your Facebook, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.